And then in 2015, there was the advent of drones. This really was a game changer for me. This tool allows you to go out and fly, capture your own aerial data, process it, create geospatial data, and then use web mapping dashboard tools to analyze and get ready for this. Output all of your results in GIS. This was great. So in the last 7 years, I've further refined my participatory approach. I call it my Participatory-UAS approach now, and had developed a training methodology to allow me to very quickly and easily train a range of stakeholders how to plan drone surveys, conduct them, and use the drone data to create participatory information.